tutorial. My name is Giuseppe Manios Villaflor. I am first year college in this Ed Mathematics. For today's lesson, I'm going to discuss the addition of integers. So, same sign, add absolute values and use their sign. Then, different sign, greater absolute value, subtract to lesser and use the sign of the greater absolute value. So, example number 1. Negative 5 plus negative 5. So, we have the same sign. So, substitute the 5 into positive. Then, plus. Then also, this negative 5 substitute into positive. So, equal to 10. Then, copy the sign negative. So, let's proceed to the example number 2. So, in example number 2, we have different signs. So, if different sign, you use subtraction or minus. Then, copy the 13. Use the sign negative for subtraction. Then, negative 3, substitute into positive. So, 13 minus 3 equals 10. Then, copy the sign of greater absolute value, which is 13. So, that 10 is positive. So, let's proceed to the example number 3. And example number 3, substitute the negative 10 into positive. Then, subtract, copy the 4. So, 10 minus 4 equals 6. Then, copy the greater absolute value, which is negative 10. So, copy the sign negative. Number 4. Example number 4, you need to substitute the 40 into positive. Then, copy the sign. Then, the negative 60, you need to substitute into positive. So, 40 plus 60 equals 100. Then, copy the sign. Negative since same sign, so you need to copy negative. Let's proceed to the example number 5. So, substitute the negative 4 into positive. Then, use negative sign since you have different sign number. Then, copy the 10. So, 4 minus 10 equals 6 because the greater value is positive. So, that's all for today's video. I hope